so fun.
I know. I can't wait for the fruit.
Ow!
Huh? What's going on, vampire?
The bee stung my nose. It hurts so bad. What do I do?
Really? Don't worry. I'll help you. First, use some tweezers to take out the stinger. Use your hand to take one ice cube. Then apply it onto the stung area. Now just do it for 30 minutes and you'll be better.
Wow, thank you, zombie. My nose is all better now.
No problem, vampire. Now let's take care of the garden.
Okay. I love watering trees.
I know.
Vampire, what's going on? Why are you crying?
I'm not crying. It's the onions that make my eyes watery.
You scared me. I thought something bad happened to you. Here, let me help you. To stop crying from the onion, first add water to a big bowl. Next step, you need to use the knife to peel the onion under the water. The water will protect your eyes from all of the onion gas. Here's the peeled onion. It can't make you cry anymore.
Wow, you're so smart. Thank you, Mommy.
Don't say that.
Do you like spaghetti?
Yeah, can you make it for me?
Yeah.
I'll cut the onion.
Okay, thank you.
Why is this butter so hard to take out?
Mommy, can you hurry up? I'm so hungry. I need a sandwich.
Sorry, but I can't get the butter. It's so hard.
You can't even get the butter? Here, I'll do it. To help you get the butter easier, all you need is a lighter. Use it to heat up the knife. Now you can take out the butter really easy, look. The hot knife will melt the butter so you can take it out quickly.
Wow, that's so good, zombie.
But now can you make a sandwich for me?
Okay, coming right up.
Thank you.
Zombie!
Huh? What's going on, vampire?
We gotta go. The monster concert starts in 15 minutes. Wait, what's wrong with your arm?
Huh? Oh shoot, I think I got sunburned. What am I gonna do?
Don't worry, zombie, I got you. To help zombie treat her sunburn, all I need is a cucumber and some aloe vera. Use a knife to slice the cucumbers. Get some aloe vera. And then slice the aloe vera also. Put everything into the blender. And then add some water. Now we just need to blend it all together. Pour it out into a bowl. The next step is to use a cotton pad to apply the solution onto her arm. The mixture of aloe vera and cucumber will help soothe the sunburn. Just apply it 2 times a day for a week and you'll feel better.
Wow, thank you, vampire. My sunburn is gone.
No problem. Now let's go to the monster concert. We're late.
Okay, let's go. Ghost lady, do you want to eat apples?
Sure, but can you peel the skin for me? I can't eat it.
You can eat the skin too, but fine, I'll peel it for you. You're so picky. I cut my finger and it's bleeding so much. What am I gonna do? Don't worry, I got you. To stop a small cut from bleeding, all you need to do is apply pressure. After a few minutes, the cut will stop bleeding and then you cover it with a band-aid. The band-aid will prevent infection to the small cut. Then, just change the band-aid 3 times per day and you'll be better. Wow, my finger's all better. Thanks, ghost lady.
No problem, zombie.
Let me finish peeling your apple. I don't want to eat the apple anymore. It's so yucky. Huh? What do you mean? This apple's still good?
You just cut your finger. I still don't want it.
Fine. You're so picky. Wow! How did you do that, zombie? Can I try? I used the Hubba Bubba, but I'm all out.
Come on, I really want to blow some bubbles.
All I have is Mentos, but I don't think you could blow bubbles with this. It doesn't matter. I'll try it anyway.
Alright, watch me blow this bubble.
Okay. Oh, how can I do it? Okay, go. Oh, this is so hard. I told you, you can't blow the bubble with Mentos.
Yes, I can. I can do it.
What? Really, Grim Reaper? Oops, sorry, zombie. What am I gonna do? You ruined my hair, Grim Reaper. Don't worry, zombie. I know how to fix it. All you need is ice cubes. Use your hand to take one ice cube. Then apply it onto your hair, and the ice cube will make it come harder, so it will come out. Now your hair is all safe, zombie. Wow, you're so talented, but don't do it again.
Alright. But can I have my chewing gum? It was really good.
No. Oh, you're so mean.
separate the egg yolks for me?
Egg yolks? No problem. I couldn't take the yellow yolk out. I can't do it. It's too hard.
Oh, okay, fine. I'll show you how to do it. All you need is an empty plastic bottle. First, we need to crack an egg into the bowl. And then use the plastic bottle to suck the yolk out. See? Now we can take the yolk out easily.
Wow, you're such a good chef. I'll try it, vampire.
I know. Can you finish the rest of the 5 for me?
Oh yeah, no problem. Alright, Zombie. Today I will show you how to do yoga. Just follow me. Okay, show me. Alright, let's do it. First, breathe in. And lift your hands up. Bring your hands down. And lift your leg up. Okay, my hands and my leg up. Ouch, my ankle! What's going on? Oh, I think I sprained my ankle. What am I gonna do? Don't worry, Zombie. You haven't mastered it. I'll help you. To help Zombie treat her sprained ankle, all we need are frozen vegetables. Take some vegetables and put it into the Ziploc bag. Then zip it up. Now you can use these frozen vegetables as an ice bag. Use it to cool down Zombie's ankle. Do it for 20 minutes and your ankle will be all better. Wow, my ankle doesn't hurt anymore. Thank you, Grim Reaper. No problem. Now let's go back to yoga. Okay, put your foot back up. And breathe. Do you feel peace yet? No. What? Really? No. Try breathing more.
Hi everyone! Did you guys like our video?
Let us know in the comments.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up. See you guys next time.
Bye!